Hello everyone, welcome to Sanvi Naveen channel. So today I'm doing lesson 10 Pariksha for grade 4 children novel textbook. Okay, novel textbook grade 4 children. Okay, novel textbook grade 4 children. The lesson 10 is Pariksha. Pariksha means what? Imtihan. Imtihan means exam, test. Okay, so this is a nice story. Take out your textbook, novel textbook, page number 84. Lesson 10 परीक्षा. Okay, so let's start. बहुत समय पहले की बात है. This one is like long years ago. Okay, this story has taken place long years ago. एक शक्तिशाली राजा थे. शक्तिशाली means strong. There was one strong brave king. राजा means king. वहाँ अपनी प्रजा से बहुत प्यार करते थे. Praja means the people, the citizens of that kingdom, of that city, of that town where that Raja is living. Okay, so he loves his people so much. Pyar means love. Raja के कोई संतान नहीं थे. संतान means kids, children. They don't have any kid. The Raja doesn't have any kid. वे बूढ़े भी हो चले थे. So the king and queen, they were getting old also. But they don't have any kids. उन्हें रात दिन अपने राज्य की चिंता लगी रहती थी. Full day and night he used to think, he used to worry about his kingdom. चिंता means worry, think. चिंता means worry. वे अपनी रानी से अक्सर इस बारे में चर्चा किया करते थे कि उनके बाद राज्य का शासक कौन होगा. Always the king tell to his queen that next after when I will die, after that who will take care of this kingdom? Someone should be there not to take care of this kingdom, right? Because the king doesn't have any kid. So if kid will be there, then kid will continue, right? But Raja doesn't have any kid. So who will take care of this kingdom? Who will be the Raja? Who will be the king for this kingdom? Like that he used to think. शासक means the next king. शासक means king, राजा. वह ईमानदार भी होगा या नहीं. The king should be honest. ईमानदार means honest. A good ईमानदार means honest. That king should be honest to all the people. He should love all the people, all the citizens, right? Like that. Next. एक बार राजा अपनी रानी के साथ टहलने निकले. One day the king started walking with his wife. टहलने means walking. Okay, he went for a walk with his wife. हरे भरे पौधों को देखकर उनके मस्तिष्क में अपने राज्य के लिए एक योग्य शासक चुनने का विचार आया. When he is walking, when that time he is seeing hare bhare paudhe. Hare bhare means greenery, full green. Paudhe means plants. When he was seeing all the green plants, that time in his brain, mastishk means brain. In his brain, he got one idea. How to select a next king for his kingdom. He got one idea. उन्होंने रानी से कहा, मैंने निश्चय किया है कि मैं अपनी प्रजा में से ही अपना उत्तराधिकारी चुनूंगा. So the king has said to the queen, I have decided I will select a king from my people only, from my citizens only. Okay, Uttaradhikari means successor. After if king will become old or king will become die, that time after that who will take care? That is a Uttaradhikari children, successor of a king. Okay, so he will be so he said what he said, I will choose a king, a successor from my people only. So means my town's people only, like that. इसके लिए मैं उनकी परीक्षा लूंगा. For this, I will take a test for them. परीक्षा means test, exam. Okay. जो भी सबसे अधिक ईमानदार होगा, वह मेरा उत्तराधिकारी बनेगा. Who will be the very honest? No, in this test, he will be the next successor. Okay, next king, next successor for this kingdom. राजा की बात पर रानी ने सहमति जताई. सहमति जताई means yes, agreed. Okay, so what king said, for that queen said okay fine, I am agree, like that. Okay. राजा अपने उत्तराधिकारी में क्या गुण देखना चाहते थे? What qualities he wants to see in his उत्तराधिकारी, in his successor? That is, answer is ईमानदारी. ईमानदार, they should be honest. Okay. Next, page number 85. अगले दिन राज्य में यह घोषणा कर दी गई कि आगामी सोमवार को राजा अपने उत्तराधिकारी का चुनाव करने के लिए प्रतियोगिता का आयोजन करवा रहे हैं. So next day they have announced like the coming Monday. Agami means coming. Somawar means Monday. So coming Monday there will be a competition. Pratiyogita means competition. So there will be a competition to choose the next successor for this kingdom. Okay, like that they announced. जो कोई भी इसमें भाग लेना चाहता है वह सोमवार को दरबार में उपस्थित हो जाए. उपस्थित means present, come, like that. Okay, be there. So who wants to be with this, who wants to come for this competition, please come on coming Monday. Okay, be present on that day. Next, सोमवार के दिन राज्य के अधिकतर लोग राजा के दरबार में पहुंच गए. Monday, so they said right, coming Monday. So Monday, everyone, so many people had come for that test, for that exam. उसमें बच्चे, पुरुष, महिलाएं सब थे. In that, children, बच्चे means children, पुरुष, men, महिलाएं, women. So everyone were there in that. So all the people came, right? So in that people, children were there, men were there, women were there. Okay. राजा ने कहा, मैं आपको पौधों के बीज दूंगा. So the king said, I will give the plant seeds. What he will give? He will give the plant seeds. बीज means seed, पौधा means plant. आप सब घर जाकर इन्हें गमले में बोएं. You go home and plant this seed in a pot. Gamla means pot. Okay, so this one you have to plant this seeds in a pot. एक वर्ष बाद आप अपने अपने पौधे के साथ राजमहल में आएंगे. After 1 year, now I will give, after 1 year you have to come with your plant. Okay, जिसका पौधा सबसे अधिक हरा भरा होगा वहां ही इस राज्य का उत्तराधिकारी होगा. So whose plant will be full greenery, that person will be the next successor. Okay, यहां कहकर राजा ने वहां आए लोगों को बीज देने का आदेश दिया. So he said this much and he ordered, give plant seeds to everyone who had come here for this test. Give seeds to everyone, like that the king announced it. Okay, ordered it. आदेश means ordered. इतने में एक छोटी लड़की राजा के सामने आई. The small girl came in front of king. छोटी लड़की, छोटी means small, लड़की means girl. उसकी उम्र 12-13 वर्ष होगी. Her age will be like 12 to 13 years old. Okay, वहां राजा से बोली, महाराज मुझे भी बीज दे दीजिए. So she said to the king, please give me also. Please give me that seeds. Please give me that seeds. राजा ने उस लड़की को गौर से निहारा. गौर से निहारा means the king saw her like full neatly, like that. Okay, like who is this girl, like that. Strongly he just saw that girl. उन्होंने उसे भी बीज दे दिया. So they gave seed to her also. Okay, to her also. एक वर्ष बाद सभी लोग राजमहल में अपने हाथों में गमले लिए पहुंचे. After 1 year, everyone had come with the pot. Everyone had come with the pot. After 1 year. उस छोटी लड़की के गमले को छोड़कर सबके गमलों में सुंदर सुंदर पौधे लगे थे. That girl, you remember, 12 to 13 years girl, 12 to 13 years old girl. Only that girl, except that girl, all the all the pots were full of with beautiful flowers. But this girl, nothing was there. This girl pot was nothing was there in that. Why? You will get to know next. कितने समय बाद लोग राजमहल में गमले लेकर आए? 1 वर्ष, 1 year. After how many days they have come? After 1 year, 1 वर्ष. Okay. राजा बारी बारी से सभी लोगों के गमले को देख रहे थे और प्रशंसा कर रहे थे. So the king is observing all the plants and he is praising everyone. प्रशंसा means praising. Oh, it's very good like that. Okay. तभी उनकी नजर एक और खड़ी उस लड़की पर पड़ी. When he was watching, when he is observing all the plants, that time his eyesight went to one plant, where was that girl's plant, that girl's flower pot. Okay. उन्होंने उसे इशारे से बुलाया. He just signed and just called her like this. Hey, come here, like this. Okay. लड़की उदास थी. The girl was sad. उदास means sad. The girl was sad. राजा ने उससे उदासी का कारण पूछा. So king asked, why you are sad? Tell me the reason. कारण means reason. Why you are sad? Tell me the reason. What happened? वहां बोली, she said, महाराज, मैंने बीज बोए, खाद डाली, पानी दिया, लेकिन ये बीज जैसे बोए थे वैसे ही रहे. So she is telling to the king, Maharaj, king, मैंने बीज बोए, I have planted the seeds. खाद डाली means what the required for the plant, that one also I gave. पानी दिया, I watered also, watered also, I sprinkled the water also. लेकिन ये बीज जैसे बोए थे वैसे ही रहे. But how I planted, it was like this, that only. It's not coming, it's not growing at all like that. She is telling to the king. That's why she is sad. राजा मुस्कुराकर बोले. The king is smiling and telling now. मुस्कुराकर means smiling, laughing. बेटी यह तो होना ही था क्योंकि बीज नकली थे. So he said, yes, it should be. It has to be happen. Why? Because those seeds are fake. Nakli means fake seeds. Those are not real seeds. Those are fake seeds. फिर भला ये कैसे उगते? How it will grow? Because that seeds are fake seeds. तुम गमलों में लगे ये सुंदर सुंदर पौधे देख रही हो ना, ये तो ये लोग लगा कर लाए हैं. What you are seeing, no, here so many plants, the beautiful plants, flowers, no, this one they have planted. मेरी असली उत्तराधिकारी तुम ही हो क्योंकि तुम ईमानदार हो. So the Raja has declared you are the next successor for that girl, for that 12 to 13-year girl, because she is a honest. Why? Because the king had test, right? King had given for everyone that fake seeds. Correct, no? But all the people what they have done? They have done the wrong thing. Okay, they took out the seeds and they have planted their own plant. Okay, so but this girl didn't do anything because that seeds are fake. Correct, no? So she is a honest girl. Everyone for greediness, what they have done, they have took out that seed because they got to know that is fake seeds or no, maybe that seeds are not growing, maybe they got to know, but they want as a next successor position, no. So what they have done as a greediness, they have planted their own plant. Okay, that is not good, right? But this girl is a very honest. She has put that seed only, but that was a fake seed. So that's why they didn't grow at all. नेक्स्ट. राजा की यह बात सुनकर वहां उपस्थित सभी लोगों के सिर शर्म से झुक गए. सो वन द किंग सेड एवरीथिंग, नो, दैट टाइम एवरीवन गॉट ashamed. Everyone got ashamed. Why? Because they have done wrong thing, no? Everyone got ashamed and their head was down. लेकिन राजा बहुत प्रसन्न थे. बट राजा, द किंग वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. प्रसन्न मीन्स हैप्पी. आखिर उन्हें अपने राज्य के लिए एक ईमानदार उत्तराधिकारी जो मिल गया था. बिकॉज ही गॉट अ नेक्स्ट सक्सेसर फॉर हिज किंगडम, दैट टू हॉनेस्ट. Okay, that is only he was searching for, right? Yes. Next, we'll go for textbook exercise, children. Page number 86. शब्दकोश, शब्दार्थ, शक्तिशाली, ताकतवर, शक्तिशाली, ताकतवर, पावरफुल, संतान, औलाद, बच्चा, चाइल्ड, शासक, राजा, किंग, मस्तिष्क, दिमाग, ब्रेन, उत्तराधिकारी, किसी की मृत्यु के बाद पद या अधिकार पाने वाला, successor. Okay, the person will die, after that he will take that position, that person will call it as a उत्तराधिकारी or a successor. परीक्षा, इम्तिहान, चांच, टेस्ट, सहमति जताई, मान लिया, अग्रीड, आगामी, आने वाला, अपकमिंग, उपस्थित, हाजिर, प्रेजेंट, गौर से निहारा, ध्यान से देखा, लुक्ड, कीनली, प्रशंसा, तारीफ, अप्रिसिएशन, प्रेजिंग, और तरफ, टुवर्ड्स. Okay, then we'll just see the question answers. राजा ने लोगों को क्या दिए? राजा ने लोगों को बीज दिए. What the king has given to all the people? He has given seeds to all the people. Okay. Next question. राजा अपनी रानी के साथ कहाँ गए? Where king went with his queen. राजा अपनी रानी के साथ टहलने निकले. So king went for a walk with his queen. छोटी लड़की की उम्र क्या थी? What was the age of that small girl? छोटी लड़की की उम्र 12-13 साल की थी. So that girl age is 12 to 13 years old. राजा ने सब लोगों को कैसे बीज दिए? What he gave, which type of seed he gave to everyone? King. राजा ने सब लोगों को नकली बीज दिए. So king had given the fake seeds to everyone. क्या देखकर राजा के दिमाग में योग्य शासक चुनने का विचार आया? What, when he is seeing something, what he saw when he got that idea how to select the successor? योग्य शासक means the capable king. Okay. हरे भरे पौधों को देखकर उनके दिमाग में योग्य शासक चुनने का विचार आया. When he saw the greenery, full greenery plants, that time he got a idea to choose a next successor or a next king. राजा ने कैसे व्यक्ति को अपना उत्तराधिकारी बनाने के बारे में सोचा? What he was thinking, the next successor will be, how he will be. राजा ने ईमानदार व्यक्ति को अपना उत्तराधिकारी बनाने के बारे में सोचा. So he was thinking, my next successor, my next king should be very honest. राजा ने छोटी लड़की को अपना उत्तराधिकारी क्यों बनाया? Why he chose that small girl as a successor? राजा ने छोटी लड़की को अपना उत्तराधिकारी बनाया क्योंकि वह ईमानदार थी. Because he has choose that small girl because she was honest. Okay. Next, big question answers. राज्य में क्या घोषणा की गई? What they have announced in the city, in the town. राज्य में यह घोषणा की गई है कि आगामी सोमवार को राजा अपने उत्तराधिकारी का चुनाव करने के लिए एक प्रतियोगिता का आयोजन करवा रहे हैं. जो कोई भी इसमें भाग लेना चाहते हैं वह सोमवार को दरबार में उपस्थित हो जाए. So they have announced, right, the upcoming Monday there will be a competition to choose a next successor. Who wants to join? Please present on that Monday. Okay. Next, Raja. Sorry, children. राजा को हर समय किस बात की चिंता रहती थी? what always राजा is worrying about, the king is worrying about. राजा को यह चिंता रहती थी कि उनके बाद राज्य का शासक कौन होगा और वह ईमानदार होगा या नहीं. So he used to think always who will be the next successor. Okay, and he used to whether he will be honest or no, like that he used to think always. He used to worry about that. Okay, next children, अंडरस्टैंड एंड डू. सही उत्तर के सामने टिक का चिन्ह लगाइए. टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. राजा कैसा था? हाउ वाज द किंग? किंग वाज शक्तिशाली. किंग वाज ब्रेव एंड स्ट्रांग. ओके, नेक्स्ट. राजा ने क्या चुनने का विचार किया? राजा ने उत्तराधिकारी चुनने का विचार किया. सो ही थॉट लेट मी चूज अ नेक्स्ट सक्सेसर. शासक का क्या अर्थ है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय शासक? शासक का अर्थ है राजा. ओके, राजा. उत्तराधिकारी के चुनाव में कौन भाग ले सकता था? हु कैन पार्टिसिपेट इन सक्सेसर कॉम्पिटिशन? सभी लोग, एवरीवन. ओके, नेक्स्ट. हु सेड टू हुम? हु सेड दिस टू हुम? किसने कहा? किससे कहा? मैं प्रजा में से ही अपना उत्तराधिकारी चुनूंगा. राजा ने कहा, रानी से कहा. मुझे भी बीज दे दीजिए. गिव मी सीड्स. सो द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज, सो आई विल सिलेक्ट अ सक्सेसर फ्रॉम माई सिटीज, फ्रॉम माई पीपल ओनली. किंग सेड टू क्वीन. राजा ने रानी से कहा, मुझे भी बीज दे दीजिए. गिव मी सीड. गिव मी सीड. हु सेड? छोटी लड़की. दैट स्मॉल गर्ल सेड टू राजा, किंग. बेटी यहाँ तो होना ही था. यस डॉटर. डॉटर. बेटी. यस इट शुड बी हैपन. हु सेड? किंग सेड टू द स्मॉल गर्ल. Okay, when she was sad, she said no because my seeds didn't grow at all. That time he said no. मैं आपको पौधों के बीज दूंगा. I will give you plant seeds. Who said? राजा said to everyone, सब लोग. Okay, here you have to just tell whether it's a true or false from this lesson. Okay, हाँ या नहीं में उत्तर दीजिए. आंसर इन yes or no. छोटी बालिका की उम्र 16 से 17 वर्ष थी. 16 to 17 that girl age was no, right? नहीं, that was wrong. राज्य सत्यवादी, so her age was 12 to 13. Okay, 12-13 वर्ष. राजा सत्यवादी व्यक्ति को उत्तराधिकारी चुनना चाहते थे? नहीं, राजा ईमानदार व्यक्ति को सत्यवादी चुनना, उत्तराधिकारी चुनना चाहते थे. ईमानदार, नॉट सत्यवादी. लोग सोमवार को राजा के दरबार में पहुंचे. Everyone, the people had came on Monday to his court, to his king court. Yes, that is yes. हाँ. राजा ने छोटी लड़की को डांट दिया. So the king has scolded that small girl. No, नहीं. Right. Next, linguistic knowledge. वाक्य प्रयोग द्वारा दिए गए शब्दों में अर्थों के अंतर स्पष्ट कीजिए. So these words are, pronunciation will be same children, but these are different. The meanings will be different. Okay. This one please you have to understand carefully. और. Okay. और means राम पेड़ की ओर जा रहा था. So Ram is going near to that tree. So he's going to that tree, near to that tree. और means and, and. और means that side. ओके, हाँ. और राम और श्याम भाई हैं. सो राम एंड श्याम आर दे आर ब्रदर्स. मई मीन्स इन, मई मीन्स आई. ओके, मैं वहां बगीचे में खेल रहा है. सो ही इज प्लेइंग इन द गार्डन. मई मीन्स आई एम टीचर, लाइक दैट. मैं स्कूल जाता हूं. आई एम गोइंग टू स्कूल. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस चिल्ड्रन. दिस इज कहा, दिस इज कहां. हियर न कहां. दिस इज कहा. ओके, कहां. आप कहां जा रहे हो? वेर यू आर गोइंग. कहां. आप कहां जा रहे हैं? ओके, सो वेर यू आर गोइंग. सो दिस इज नॉट चिल्ड्रन. ये किसने कहा? हु सेड दिस? ओके, लाइक दैट. कहाँ, आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं, this one don't take it as a, you have to just you, this one is a wrong, afterwards I will just tell it. Okay, so this one you take. Okay, so this one you can take it as उसने कहा means he said, like that it will come. Okay, just a minute children. This one you don't take children. Okay, here you can write उसने कहा वो भी आ रहा है, like that. He said he is also coming. उसने कहा वो भी आ रहा है means he said he is also coming. कहा means said. कहा means where. This कहा means where. आप कहाँ जा रहे हो, where you are going. This कहा means said, what you said, like that. Okay, next. I'm a human being only children. I can also do mistakes. Okay, don't worry, it's okay. दिए गए शब्दों को क्रम में रखकर सही वाक्य बनाइए. Make correct sentence by putting the words in order. Okay, the words are jumbled. प्रजा बहुत राजा प्यार से था करता. राजा प्रजा से बहुत प्यार करता था. ओके, पूछा ने लड़की कारण से राजा का उदासी. राजा ने लड़की से उदासी का कारण पूछा. अपने पहुंचे लिए गमले में हाथों सभी. सभी अपने हाथों में गमले लिए पहुंचे. व्यक्ति ईमानदार का राज्य बनेगा उत्तराधिकारी. ईमानदार व्यक्ति राज्य का उत्तराधिकारी बनेगा. ओके, आफ्टर दैट हियर दे सेड विशेषण लगाइए. विशेषण मीन्स व्हाट, एडजेक्टिव. विशेषण मीन्स एडजेक्टिव, नेमिंग वर्ड्स, और द करेक्ट वर्ड इज एडजेक्टिव, डिस्क्राइबिंग. ओके, डैश राजा शक्तिशाली राजा. हरे भरे पौधे, ईमानदार उत्तराधिकारी. छोटी लड़की, नकली बीज, ईमानदार शासक. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस लेसन, दैट इज परीक्षा. Okay, that's it children. Take care. Bye bye.